Hey, this is Teresa speaking from Ep.5. In this tutorial, we'll be explaining a high-level growth strategy for your mobile product. In the previous videos, we've talked about the two phases of the mobile business: marketing and product. Marketing covering all aspects of new user acquisition, and product taking in all aspects related to engagement and user monetization. Now, we are going to see the connection between one and the other and how to align product with your business goals. First, we are going to include here our mobile marketing framework we've been setting up in the previous tutorials with the daily active users and the revenue generated by them. So we have the daily active users and the revenue generated by them. Please feel free to watch a summary of how to implement this in the previous videos, and we need to add here also the next to this the returning users, as well as we are including, as mentioned, the user engagement. So to add this next to new users, we add the returning users. We add here as an acquisition value returning users with the corresponding user cohorts on the acquisition level and on the revenue level, of course. Additionally, we need to include the repeat buyer conversion next to the new buyer conversion, as we are including returning users, and also the number of buyers next to the average transaction value. Why? This way is how we get the daily conversions from our product on the one side, and on the revenue side we get the average revenue per paying users. These metrics are essential to calculate the average revenue per daily active users, which is the one primary metric of our business. Other metrics such as user LTV, ROAS, ROI, etc. also need to be calculated using your daily conversion and the average revenue per paying user. So this method is fully valid for any business model. For example, on a free-to-play model, the average revenue per daily active user will be the correlation between the daily purchases and the average revenue per paying user. This model varies slightly on a subscription app. On a subscription case scenario, for example, the average revenue per paying user in that case would be the average price per period and pay period duration. So the correlation between the price and the subscription duration plus the number of subscribers would give us the revenue value. In this case, monthly active users would be another primary metric besides the daily active users. So we have daily conversions, average revenue per paying users on the revenue side, daily active users, monthly active users on the subscription model as well, but all this whole framework is fully valid. Please let us know if you have any questions in this regards. We are happy to help. We hope you enjoy this introduction to mobile marketing KPIs. We are happy to help if you have any questions. Bye.